Welcome to HealthPath Finders. I bet you didn't know the surprising truth about sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is a common sight in kitchens around the world. Its light flavor and high smoke point make it a versatile ingredient for a variety of culinary applications. It's often the go-to choice for frying and baking, providing a neutral taste that doesn't overpower the dish. We see it on supermarket shelves, a clear golden liquid promising versatility and ease of use in our everyday cooking. But beneath its widespread use lies a more complex story, one that intertwines with agriculture, health, and economics. Sunflower oil, like many things in nutrition, is not inherently good or bad. Its impact on our health can vary greatly depending on how it is processed and consumed. Its effects on our health depend on how we use it, the quantity we consume, and the balance of other fats in our diet. Understanding its properties, both beneficial and potentially harmful, is key to making informed choices. This includes knowing about its fatty acid composition and the presence of any additives. This essay will delve into the surprising truth about sunflower oil, uncovering facts that are often overlooked. We'll explore its nutritional profile, its potential benefits, and its hidden risks, providing a comprehensive understanding of this popular oil. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to decide if sunflower oil deserves a place in your pantry, empowering you to make choices that align with your health goals and culinary needs. Section 2. The good vitamin E and heart-healthy fats. Sunflower oil does offer some health benefits. It is a good source of vitamin E, an important antioxidant. Vitamin E protects our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. Sunflower oil is also low in saturated fat, a type of fat linked to heart disease. It contains mainly unsaturated fats, including both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are considered heart-healthy when consumed in moderation. Section 3. The not-so-good omega-6 and the balance issue. Omega-6 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat found in various foods, and they play a crucial role in our body's functions. Here's where things get a little complicated. While omega-6s are essential, meaning our bodies need them for proper functioning, the balance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids is vital for maintaining optimal health. Sunflower oil, for instance, is very high in omega-6 fatty acids. This oil is commonly used in cooking and food production, making it a significant source of omega-6 in our diets. Omega-6s are essential fatty acids, meaning our bodies need them but cannot produce them. We must obtain them through our diet. Foods like nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils are rich in omega-6s. While omega-6 fatty acids are necessary for health, too much omega-6 relative to omega-3 can be problematic. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts are also essential and work to counterbalance the effects of omega-6s. The ideal ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 is believed to be around 1:1. This balance helps regulate inflammation and supports overall health. However, the modern Western diet often contains a ratio closer to 15:1 or even higher, largely due to the overconsumption of processed foods and vegetable oils high in omega-6. This imbalance is a result of dietary habits that favor convenience and processed foods over whole, nutrient-dense options. This imbalance can contribute to inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can be harmful. Chronic inflammation is linked to a range of health issues, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Maintaining a balanced intake of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids is crucial for reducing the risk of these chronic diseases and promoting long-term health. To achieve a healthier balance, consider incorporating more omega-3 rich foods into your diet, such as fatty fish like salmon, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Reducing the intake of processed foods and oils high in omega-6 can also help restore the balance. Being mindful of food choices and reading labels can make a significant difference. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible, and be aware of the types of oils used in cooking and food preparation. By making these dietary adjustments, you can support your body's natural balance and reduce the risk of inflammation-related health issues. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance for a healthier, happier life. Section 4. Heat and oxidation. Sunflower oil's Achilles heel. Another important consideration is sunflower oil's stability when exposed to heat. Sunflower oil has a relatively low smoke point. The smoke point is the temperature at which an oil starts to break down and release harmful compounds. When oils are heated past their smoke point, they undergo oxidation. This process creates free radicals, those unstable molecules that can damage our cells. Using oils with a low smoke point for high-heat cooking methods like frying can lead to the formation of these harmful compounds. This is why it's crucial to choose oils with a higher smoke point for cooking methods involving high heat. Section 5. Practical tips. Using sunflower oil safely. If you choose to use sunflower oil, there are ways to minimize potential risks. First, use it sparingly. Limit your intake of sunflower oil and other oils high in omega-6 fatty acids. Next, avoid high-heat cooking. Don't use sunflower oil for frying or deep frying. Opt for oils with a higher smoke point instead. And finally, store properly. Store sunflower oil in a cool, dark place to prevent oxidation. By following these tips, you can reduce your exposure to potential downsides of sunflower oil. Section 6. Healthier alternatives, exploring other oils. In this section, we will delve into a variety of oils that can serve as healthier alternatives to sunflower oil. Each oil has its unique properties and benefits, making them suitable for different culinary uses and dietary needs. Fortunately, several healthier alternatives to sunflower oil exist. These oils not only offer distinct flavors, but also come with various health benefits that can enhance your cooking and overall well-being. Let's start with olive oil. A staple of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. These nutrients are known to support heart health and reduce inflammation. Olive oil is also praised for its potential to lower bad cholesterol levels. It has a moderate smoke point, making it suitable for sautéing and baking. Whether you're preparing a light stir-fry or baking a moist cake, olive oil can be a versatile addition to your kitchen. Moving on to avocado oil. With a high smoke point and a neutral flavor, avocado oil is versatile for various cooking methods. Its high smoke point makes it ideal for frying, grilling, and even roasting. It's also a good source of monounsaturated fats and vitamin E. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy skin and eyes, and they also provide antioxidant properties that can protect your cells from damage. Lastly, coconut oil. Solid at room temperature, coconut oil is composed mainly of saturated fat. Despite its high saturated fat content, it has been shown to have antimicrobial properties and can support metabolic health. It has a high smoke point, making it stable for high-heat cooking. This makes it an excellent choice for frying and sautéing, where other oils might break down and produce harmful compounds. These are just a few examples, and the best choice for you will depend on your needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize flavor, health benefits, or cooking versatility, there's an oil out there that can meet your requirements. Experiment with these oils to discover which ones best suit your culinary style and dietary goals. Section 7. Olive oil. The Mediterranean champion. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is widely regarded as one of the healthiest oils. It's a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, a way of eating linked to longevity and a lower risk of chronic diseases. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's also packed with antioxidants, including polyphenols, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Section 8. Avocado oil, high heat, great taste. Avocado oil is a versatile oil that shines in high heat cooking. It has one of the highest smoke points among cooking oils, making it ideal for stir-fries, roasting, and even grilling. Beyond its high smoke point, avocado oil boasts a mild, neutral flavor that won't overpower your dishes. It's also a good source of monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, making it a heart-healthy choice. Section 9. Coconut oil, versatile and stable. Coconut oil is unique for its high saturated fat content. While saturated fat has long been demonized, more recent research suggests that coconut oil's saturated fats, primarily medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, may offer some health benefits. Coconut oil is also highly stable at high temperatures, making it suitable for frying and baking. Its distinct coconut flavor makes it a popular choice for adding a touch of the tropics to sweet and savory dishes. Section 10. Making informed choices. Your health in your hands. The key takeaway is this: no single oil is perfect for every purpose. Understanding the properties of different oils empowers you to make choices that align with your health goals. Consider the following factors when choosing cooking oils. Smoke point. Select oils with a higher smoke point for high heat cooking methods. Fatty acid profile. Aim for a balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. Nutritional value. Choose oils rich in antioxidants and other beneficial nutrients. Flavor. Consider how the oil's flavor will complement your dish. Section 11. Empowering yourself. Read labels. Cook smart. Knowledge is power when it comes to nutrition. By reading labels, understanding the properties of different oils, and making informed choices, you can take control of your health and well-being. Remember, a healthy diet is all about balance and variety. Enjoy a range of healthy fats from various sources and use cooking oils mindfully to create delicious and nutritious meals. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living.